Yeah, across the street from here. What's up, my friends? This is Tech, and today we're gonna go up the mountain, take a cable car up there. This area is called Grutas de Garcia. That means Garcia Caves. And we're gonna go up the cable car because it's really high up. There's no way I'm gonna climb this path up there to get up all the way up there. And right now you see the cable car ascending to the station upstairs. I'm making a video. So we'll see you up there.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Pase.
Oh my God.
All right, guys, we're about to go to the Grutas.
Pase. Ya lo va a atender el guía. Pasemos, por favor. Están cuidado para abajo.
We are in the caves now. The caves of Garcia. Do you have it?
I have the one, it's in the stairs, so I don't remember.
More steps, and it's great.
There's a waterfall.
Whenever you come to Monterrey, you gotta check these out. Check out this view. Just check out these awesome formations here. It's beautiful, it's amazing to look at, it's an amazing experience. Like I said, you gotta come here one day if you're in Monterrey. Grutas de Garcia, Garcia Caves. This is where you wanna come and check it out. very dark part of the cave. I don't know if my camera can take the nightness here, the darkness, but this is the only place that has natural light. Let's check it out. Like I said, it's a bit, there's dark because there's barely any light here. At the very top, we have a hole where natural light is coming in. Of course, it's out of focus just because there's nothing to focus on here. All right, guys, we're done with the caves. Grutas de Garcia. That was a lot of walking, a lot of shortness of breath, but it was fun. It was amazing. It was a great experience. I recommend that you guys come out here. Now it's time to get back down to the bottom. And there's the tram coming back up. And we're gonna take it down. I was thinking about taking the trail, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Not today. All right, guys. Hope you guys check this out. Enjoy this, and I'll talk to you guys later.